guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to showcase my 2004 Nissan 350z. I'm just going to do a brief walk around it and just show you all the mods that I have done to it. We'll start by talking about the bumper. The bumper is straight from Japan. There was only 3 of them made in the States, and it's handmade in Japan. It's called the Airwalker kit. Looks really nice with the car, very unique. Got this cold air intake, little inlet. It's carbon fiber little side splitters. For the headlights, I got them off a 2008 350z. They're the blacked out version, and I just added these carbon fiber eyelets to it, so it gives it a really nice aggressive look, especially with the Daytona blue. Moves us to the side of the car. I have some carbon fiber side mirrors that are imported from Japan to really make the car look unique from all the other Zs that are out there on the road. And then for the wheels, I have some stock 19-inch 370Z wheels. I'm running 245 in the front and 275 in the rear. When it comes for the brakes, I have the Willwood 6-piston brake system in the front and drilled installed rotors all around. For coils, I have BC Racing coilovers. They're adjustable so I can lower the car or raise the car whenever I want. And also Hotchkiss front and rear sway bars and SPO A-arms and camber arms. If you see, this car kind of has a lot of little carbon fiber bits and pieces, like the side right here on the side skirts, the wing, and the rear, like a carbon fiber diffuser, and a lot of different other little things. When it comes to the exhaust, I'm running an ARC exhaust system and top speed test pipes. So I'm gonna go start the car and give you guys a couple of revs so you can hear the exhaust.
Dude, it shot a fireball like this big.
No, I did not.
It did pop though, it's nice.
Yeah. So now let me pop the hood and let's show you guys what's under the hood. Here I have a Kennytex Plenum manifold, engine, short ram intake, throttle body spacer, JFC carbon fiber strut brace, some Z1 lightweight pulleys. That's pretty much it. Nothing really major done to the motor, just a couple little things here and there. Also have some carbon fiber bits up front and a Z-Speed under tray. And when it comes to the interior, I have a quick release steering wheel from Grip Royal and also NRG quick release and hub. And also changed out the gauge cluster and added a Z-Speed background for the gauge cluster and more sleek design. Really looks good with the rest of the interior. And also changed out all the OEM orange light bulbs and made them blue. So now it's a blue lighting inside. So it corresponds really well with the Daytona blue.
Give me sun. Come on.
And also has an upgraded clutch and also light and fly wheels. Hey! I'm just kidding. And the seats were also reupholstered by Catskins Upholstery. They did a phenomenal job, really makes the stock seats feel a lot better. They kept the suede inner and the leather outer.
We're done. You left your car, man.
I forgot my car on my phone. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll be coming up with more content soon, especially with the 350Z and also the Miata build coming soon. So stay tuned for all that. And thank you all so much again. And please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.